What's going on, everyone? It's your girl, the Educated Natural, and I'm super excited to have you here. Today is a special video day because, as you know, it's all about those artisans. That's right. This is another artisan of the day. Now, truth be told, this artisan here, she's done so many things, I don't even know where to begin. But because she is such a special person in the Lit fam, don't know about the Lit fam? Shame on you. Stay tuned, stay close enough to me, you will know all about them. But back to my artisan. Listen. It almost took me a full week to even be able to give you the tip of the iceberg of the things that this artisan does. Now, if you're not familiar with the term artisan, it's very simple. Right here on the Educated Natural channel, we have a vow, and the vow is very simple. And that vow I make to you is this: I will never leave you uneducated. And in today's video, it will be no different, because I'm going to tell you about an artisan and innovator that you must know about. Because she has done so many different things in the crafting world, I couldn't even begin to list them all to you. I mean, honestly, is there anything that she hasn't done?
T-shirts.
She touched it.
Hats.
She touched it.
Boxes.
She touched it.
Art.
She touched it.
Jewelry.
She touched it.
Cups.
She touched it.
Shot glasses.
She touched it.
Mugs.
She touched it.
Tumblers.
She's touched it.
Cakes.
She's touched it.
Cookies.
She's touched it.
Ashtrays.
Yes, she's touched it. And we haven't even gotten to everything this artisan does. Now, if you haven't figured out who I'm talking about, let me just go, da 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 da. You have no idea. That means you haven't even heard her theme song. Oh my goodness. That's why I'm here to tell you about the artisan of the day. None other than, drum roll please, Tracy's Sweet Touch Productions, aka Passionately Intrigued Arts, aka Estella Fabulous. Let's get to it. What? Oh, this is no regular artisan, baby. I had to go get fancy for this one. Okay, because she is fabulous. Estella Fabulous. If you really know, then you know. But now, you're probably wondering, who is this woman with a whole lot of names? Well, join me as I head over to her social media pages, and we can take a deeper look into PIA, Passionately Intrigued Arts, our artisan of the day. So prepare yourself and get ready for this artisan experience. And here we are, right here on her YouTube page. You can see right there, Passionately Intrigued Arts. Now, I told y'all, she's touched a lot of stuff. I mean, look. Rhinestone. She's telling you about how to make a rhinestone template with cardstock. Hair bonnets. Okay. A cigar ashtray. Come on, man. You don't see these things every day. She's doing napkin decoupage. Oh my goodness. She does bucket hats. How many people you know do bucket hats? Y'all, listen. Oh, just look. We're just going to look here together. She's doing all sorts of things. Things that many of us can only dream about knowing how to do. Passionately Intrigued Arts has done that and more. Look, blinging again. She loves the bling. She's done all sorts of things. Acrylic pouring, which is something, you know, your girl knows a lot about. She's touched it. She's even giving you comparison videos between two different types of irons here that we use when you custom create something. So like, it's like she's doing furniture. Like, come on. She's making graduation card boxes, more cigar ashtrays. She's even showing you how to sublimate the bottom of a tumbler. Listen, when I tell you I don't even know if there's anything she hasn't done. Jewelry. Come on. Really? If you know someone, or maybe you yourself needs a customized jewelry piece, maybe something to match your brand colors, look no further than Passionately Intrigued Arts. And the more you scroll down her YouTube channel, the more tutorials you will see of all sorts of things. But let me warn y'all, she's a tease. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that in just a minute, y'all. She's a tease. Do not go over to any of her social media pages and you're hungry. Don't go over there. If for some reason you feel like you're in a no-buy zone, do not go over to Passionately Intrigued Arts. I made that mistake, y'all. Next thing I know, I'm all inside of Michael's, Hobby Lobby. I'm in there shopping for stuff that I know I got no business buying. All because I was over here watching PIA. But it is a glorious experience. But that's just a quick browse of her YouTube channel. And if you haven't become a part of her family, did you not see what I just showed you? You should. But let's move on to her Instagram. Let's see what's over there. Because y'all know we love getting all up in the business. So here we are on her Instagram page. And you can see right there, Tracy's Sweet Touch Productions. I told y'all she got like 1,001 names. That's why I had to make sure I pull these pages up for you so you can see them. So here we are right here. Tracy E. Davis. Now, if you see anything during this Artisan of the Day presentation that you're thinking you want, she tells you right here, this is exactly where you email her, dallas2dakota@gmail.com, if you see something that you want. So let's take a quick scroll through, shall we? Oh my goodness. This is something recently that she made. Art. Look at this. Gorgeous. Handmade. Tell me, y'all, she touched it. Earrings. Do you see this? This woman has some blessed hands. Let's not even beat around the bush. She has some blessed hands. She even made her own blinged out eye patch. How many people? An eye patch? Tracy? Wow. But she didn't stop there. Need a bucket hat? The bucket hat seems to be in right now. She made from scratch with a sewing machine and fabric a bucket hat. Come on now. Y'all better leave her alone. She makes custom masks as well. Let's take a look at this mask really quickly because these are for those with special needs. Look at this. Let me pause it right there. Look at the mask. How awesome is that mask? Oh my goodness. Great job, Tracy. But as you can see, as we scroll down here, oh my goodness, is that chocolate? Y'all, look at this. Hot chocolate flower blooms. Will y'all look at this? Oh my goodness. Told y'all, do not come over here when you're hungry. Look at that. You take those, you drop them in some hot water, and oh my goodness. I'm not even going to do it to you by explaining it to you. But look at these beautiful shot glasses that she has done. Wow, amazing. Stoned them out. Yes, she did, y'all, with them rhinestones. But remember I told you earlier that she's a tease? Let me show y'all what I mean. Scrolling on down here. Is that up? Yes, it is. Y'all know what that is. I ain't gonna tell you what it is. Look at that. Amazing. Some people will call that a pimp cup, but I ain't gonna say that. And there she is with her beautiful self. Wire jewelry. But let me get to the part where I said she was a tease. Y'all brace yourself. And here it is, y'all. Y'all see that? Look how she teasing us, y'all. That's a cake. Tracy's Sweet Touch Productions cake, y'all. Now, anybody that knows me know I love cake. Do y'all see this strawberry cake? Do y'all see this? She calls it a strawberry crunch cake buttercream frosting with strawberry glaze. She wrong, y'all. Just teasing us. Got everybody over here drooling for this cake, knowing that we can't get to it because we're not in the Great Lakes state of Michigan. Because there's no way she can probably safely ship that to you without it being just destroyed or the postal person eating it before you even see it. Because it's just that good. I can just imagine what that tastes like. So when I tell you, my artisan of the day, she's fancy. Or as the people in the Lit fam says, she dope. And she is all of that and a bag of chips. But do you know what else she does very, very, very often for a lot of other creators? Is she supports them. She supports us here at the Educated Natural channel, and I can't thank Tracy enough. But let me be clear. That's Tracy with a Y. That's Tracy. Don't you dare put an E in there because she will check you, boo. Spell it right. Tracy. No E. Because E stands for empty, and there is absolutely nothing empty about my girl. P-I-A. Passionately Intrigued Arts. So if you haven't already connected with her on her social media, what are you waiting for? Now you may say, well, Kim, I'm not on YouTube. I'm not on Instagram like that. I love being on TikTok. Is she on TikTok? Well, duh. Of course she is. Check it out. Boom. Different name. Estella Fabulous. Did you think I was making that up? That's her TikTok name. Just do a search right there on TikTok for Estella Fabulous. And if you look under there, it says what? Tracy Sweet Touch Production. Look, Tracy Sweet Touch. Okay. She shortened it. But she's right here, right there on TikTok. Look at all of this gorgeousness. So, I don't know about you, but if you need jewelry, she's touched it. If you need, what, and sweet potatoes? Oh, y'all, she done made something with sweet potatoes. Told you, do not come over here hungry. Shot glasses, you need it? She's touched it. Jewelry, she's touched it. Cakes, cookies, yes, she has touched it. Tumblers, mugs. She's touched it. Art, she's touched it. Look at that right there. Art, wall art. She's touched so many things. I will be here all day, and this video will be way too long to show you everything that Tracy has done. That's why she has earned the #1 spot in the coveted Artisan of the Day position. She is the bomb.com, and we love her. I thank you, Tracy, for everything you have created in the custom apparel and crafting world. We love you. We thank you for pushing us. We thank you for showing us what creativity looks like. And listen, oh, I'm not done with you yet, sister. Because guess what, y'all? I have something. A box. From none other than Passionately Intrigued Arts. But you're going to have to wait for the next video to see what's in here, because what's in here is going to open up the door for creativity for your girl. And I'm excited to create something in honor of my girl, Passionately Intrigued Art. Tracy, I thank you. So guys, if you haven't already, head over to Passionately Intrigued Arts YouTube channel. Head over to Instagram and make sure you become a part of her family over there. And if you're on TikTok, go on and show Estella Fabulous some love over there. They all lead you to one special lady. And that is my artisan of the day, none other than Tracy, Passionately Intrigued Arts. Thank y'all for joining me today. Listen, if you like that and you would like to see more videos here on this channel, The Educated Natural, check out the videos right here. And of course, if you're not already a part of our family, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you will not miss the rest of the great content to be released here on this channel, The Educated Natural. If you want to connect with me, head over to my website, www.theeducatednatural.com. Be blessed.